Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in to Cpanel on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. As this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to log into cPanel and GoDaddy, and of course, you will have to click at your username at the top right corner so you can get your cPanel username from the settings as I said, from this pro dashboard. If you don't have it, of course, you'll have to click at my products, which will take you to the products page, and you'll find it right here if you click at manage, which will take you to the to your dashboard. And of course, if you haven't like changed your cPanel password to something your cPanel password and your primarily FTP password are the same thing. So keep that in mind. Of course, now if you want to log in into your cPanel, open a new page, type https two dots, two slashes, and here you will have to enter your domain name. Let's as an example, my domain name is tis.com. Of course, now we'll have simply to type a slash, then cPanel, then click at the enter button. That will take us into the login page. Make sure to enter your username that you will find your dashboard and your password, then select login and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.